Hello everyone, this is the fourth part, that is assignment and questionnaire on A Song for Saint Cecilia's Day, which will help you to write your questions and see what kind of questions and of how much marks they come in the paper. The theme first, A Song for Saint Cecilia's Day by John Dryden. Dryden describes the importance and power of music. He wrote this poem to sing of the power of music on the eve of Saint Cecilia's Day, festival held on 22nd November in all Christian countries. The poem is dedicated to Saint Cecilia, the patron saint of music. She is said to have invented the organ and to have drawn an angel from heaven. In the poem, he shows how music created the universe from discordant atoms. He shows the contribution of different musical instruments in the formation of universe. We have question number 1, theme. So what is the theme of this poem? Dryden describes the importance and power of music on universe and human mind. The poet shows how the universe was created by music. He shows the effect of different musical instruments on human mind. The poem is dedicated to Saint Cecilia, the patron saint of music. Now, one thing is very important. I am writing here the meanings in Hindi, but in the answer you don't have to write them. Your marks will be cut. This is for colleges which are in the rural areas like Jamwa, Ramgarh, etc., where students cannot understand the meanings. That is why I am writing them in Hindi too. Question 2. What are the different instruments described by Dryden in the poem A Song for Saint Cecilia's Day? The 8 musical instruments are described, and they are trumpet. First is trumpet, the divine trumpet, then the chorded shell, then the drum, flute, lute, violin, lyre, organ, and then again the divine trumpet. Here also there could be one more question. How is the musical sound of the different instruments projected through sound imagery? So here we can say, first the divine trumpet, then you have the angry trumpet which arouses the soldiers to arms, then the thundering drum, then you have the chorded shell of the jubal, then soft complaining flute, then the wobbling lute, then sharp violin, then Orpheus's lyre which even the trees follow, then the sacred organ, and last again the celestial trumpet which will undo the universe again. So these are the instruments. Question 3. What do you know about Saint Cecilia? Saint Cecilia was the patron saint of music. The poem is dedicated to Saint Cecilia's festival on 22nd November, held in all Christian countries. She is said to have invented the organ and to have drawn an angel from heaven. When a heavenly angel heard the organ music, the angel came to earth mistaking it for heaven. This could be of 5 marks. Question 4. Write the names of various musical instruments discussed in the poem A Song for Saint Cecilia's Day. This we have done. Discuss the effect produced by any 2 musical instruments in A Song for Saint Cecilia's Day. Here again I can elaborate. Like, let us say, first the divine trumpet which constructed the universe. Then you have the angry trumpet which aroused the soldiers to arms. Then you have the thundering drum, that is the double beat of the drum. Then you have the soft complaining flute. which complains about the um, unrequited love of the lovers, the unsuccessful love of the lovers. The wobbling lute, wobbling is crying like a bird. This also shows the unsuccessful love of the lovers. Then the sharp violin, which shows jealousy, irritation, anger. The lyre, Orpheus's lyre, which through which, because of the lyre, the trees rooted out from the ground and they walked. And then Cecilia's sacred organ, because of the organ, an angel came from heaven to earth, mistaking it to be heaven. And last, again, the celestial trumpet, which with the sound of this celestial trumpet, again when the universe was made, again it was deconstructed. What was the occasion for the poem A Song for Saint Cecilia's Day? This we can do. Who was Saint Cecilia? It is already answered. Now, who are Jubal and Orpheus? Jubal is a character in Bible. He is the father of music. When he sounded the shell, all brothers and friends came around him hearing the musical sound. Orpheus was a Greek musician who sang upon his lyre. The sweet music of the lyre made lifeless objects and wild animals follow him. The trees pulled their roots and began to follow him to listen to his music. Saint Cecilia invented the sacred organ and sang holy songs in praise of God. A miracle happened. An angel in heaven heard her music and came down to earth, mistaking it for heaven. Saint Cecilia's Day is celebrated on 22nd November. Question 9. How was the universe created? Dryden says that the whole universe was created by the power of music, by the power of divine music. Nature was lying under a heap of jarring or discordant atoms. When the heavenly music was heard, all the atoms took their proper position, and so order was created of chaos. And the highest culmination of these notes of music was man. 20 marks question. Describe the impact of music produced by various musical instruments as described by Dryden in his poem A Song for Saint Cecilia's Day. This is 20 marks. And again, write a critical appreciation of Dryden's poem A Song for Saint Cecilia's Day. So students, in all 4 parts, I have done justice and I have given all my notes and my interpretations. It is up to you now to work hard, read the entire text line by line, try to analyze and make the meaning out of these, and then solve the questions which I have already done for you. Only that you have to remember and work hard. All the best.